Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am continuing to finish top dressing this native shrub border so that I can accomplish two things. First of all, I can get a nice layer of compost down that in the driest part of the summer will retain enough moisture to keep the plants alive, something that I desperately needed last year. But I also am doing this because yesterday we did the burn back of the Carex. It revealed a lot of open space, and I decided I'm gonna go ahead and take advantage and get some poppies and other cottage garden seeds sown in this to be able to fill in the open gaps and really make it interesting for the spring open garden, which is set for Saturday, May 11th from noon to 4 p.m. So stay tuned to watch my progress and see all of the cottage garden seeds that I'm gonna sow in this big native border. So I'll go ahead and acknowledge that part of the reason I'm doing this is just to get some outside exercise. This is the time of year where the computer basically traps me. And I've committed that every day, at least every day with nice weather, I'm gonna try and spend at least 2 hours outside. You know, basically the computer tasks will always be there. And, well, I'm trying to do a little better balance. That's one of my goals for 2024. So I hope you'll enjoy watching me load this beautiful veggie mix into the wheelbarrow and push it up to the front of the yard just for the sheer sake that I feel like a collie dog that needs some exercise. Well, you can see the bed has a nice top dress of soil cube, basically right on top of the existing mulch, in between all the plants. And it's not super thick, but I did make it a couple inches deep. You can see where the native sand is. So this is gonna be ideal for getting some cottage garden seeds mixed in. And now I just have to see what I have. And it's gonna be easy to remember the seeding date because today is my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. So I have all my seeds that are left for the season here in my seed basket. All right, I have decided to go with the Lauren's Dark Grape, Larkspur, Corn Poppies, White Cloud Crimson Clover, the White California Poppies that I gathered from a garden in Arkansas, and along the edges, the Cool Summer Breeze Viola. I've done all of this before, so I know the method will work, but basically just gonna scatter the seeds in the bed, and I'm not even gonna rake. We have rain in the forecast, so I'm not gonna water, and I'm not gonna fertilize. So basically, I'm gonna scatter these seeds, and then I'm gonna walk away, and I'm gonna go inside and get on a Zoom, because time is of the essence. To make the bed complete, I have to do big breadseed poppies, and I've got the Papaver somniferum giganteum that of course were sent to me from England, and I've got a tiny amount of the really cool double pom-pom form that grew where Cubby Brewster, my former kitty, was buried, so I call it Cubby's Poppy. So I'm gonna put Cubby's Poppy in all 3 beds, including the small utility bed, and I'm gonna scatter the giant poppies in this bed specifically. That way I'll have all the poppies represented. And if it's like last year, this will be in full cottage garden bloom just in time for the spring open garden, which again is set for the 11th of May from noon to 4 p.m. As always, it's free, no registration, rain or shine, and I'm planning to have an awesome native plant sale for both sun and shade. So I hope that you'll mark your calendars and plan to attend. And as always, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Happy gardening.